Okay, so this is going to be the video for page 4. You're going to need this yellow one. You're going to need this yellow one. And then from your vocab, you're also going to need the word sedimentary rock. So go ahead and grab those 3 things and get back to me. We're going to start up here with sedimentary rock. Get those 2 out of the way. So sedimentary rock. Oh, I want to do it like this. I want to draw it in layers. See how that has layers. So sedimentary rocks are formed in layers called strata. That's our fancy science word for rock layers. They're made of sediment, shells, and fossils. They're formed from weathering. That's the breaking down of rock into sediments. And we're going to go through all of these parts in detail throughout the next few pages. Compaction, that's the squeezing. And the cementation, that's like the gluing or sticking those things together. Here's some famous examples: limestone, sandstone, shale, and conglomerate. You're going to want to remember those later. We're going to talk about that a lot. Oh, I'm using my glue backwards. You're going to get that glued in up at the top. And the next thing we're going to do is the vocab word. Okay, our vocabulary word is sedimentary rock. So this definition is a little longer, so don't write too big. So sedimentary rock is rock formed from sediments, organic remains, so that's like fossils and stuff, or chemical precipitates, and that's like salt in water. It's formed by gravity pressing, that was messy, sediment and minerals. Minerals can also be sediment. Together over, sorry, this is super messy today, a long, I'll work on my handwriting, period of time. So if you can't read it, just go back and listen to me reading it to you. So our examples and stuff. List some famous sedimentary rocks. Oh my God, I just told you where they were. They're up here, remember? Put those 4. Describe how sedimentary rocks are formed. So I don't want you to rewrite this or this. I want you to tell me what happens. So I want you to say that, like, what happens. Like the rock junk is squeezed and glued together. Boom, done. Hope you heard that. And the picture you're going to need for this word is actually, we'll start with this one. So this guy right there that has that little chunk in it. So that's a piece of what probably is called conglomerate or breccia. 2 different rocks that are similar. They both have visible chunks. So this would be the picture for conglomerate. So tell me how this picture represents the word sedimentary rock. Oh my gosh, it's one of these. And on here I also have a picture of another one, but I can't find it right now. We don't need it. Okay. So make sure you fill out these 3. Remember, I told you where number 1 was. I told you how to do 2, and there's 3. So that's going to go in right here. And then lastly, we need to fill in this one, which is a nice, easy fill in the blanks. Okay. So sedimentary rocks. Most of the rocks, oh my gosh, exposed, that means on top of Earth's surface. So that means like where we walk, are sedimentary rocks. So why do I have you write sedimentary? Because it's a hard word to spell and you need practice. Sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are formed when sediment. So sedimentary literally means made of sediment. So sediment of, like this is what that means. Sediment is compacted and cemented together. Usually sedimentary rock is formed layer by layer. So it's like you're making a big cake. You don't just smash it all together. With the oldest layer on the bottom. Now we're going to remember that fancy science word. The layers in sedimentary rock are called strata. And we'll do an activity in class where we make a layered sedimentary rock. So that's going to get glued in down here. So that is page 4 for you. Let me pick that up. Okay, there's page 4.